This is the newest purchase. As you can see, as soon as you walk in, there's a laundry area in this corner. So what we're planning on doing, we're gonna be removing all of this put here and do a side-to-side washer and dryer and maybe some shelves. I need to get rid of this heater because I actually don't even think it works. And then on the right-hand side, you have the kitchen. So it's a small kitchen, obviously. The condo, it's a little under 1,000 square feet. It's a 2-story home condo. And what we're gonna be doing is, based on where the electrical outlets and the gas line is, probably the stove is gonna be here. The refrigerator, we're gonna put it there, and a counter space right here. So the sink is gonna be in this area. There's the plumbing for it. We'll probably put the sink in the middle. On the right hand side, we'll probably do the dishwasher and more cabinets on this side. So another thing that we're planning on doing is probably do a little bar here because you don't have a lot of space. So you have this space that you can use as the dining area right before this little step, and then the living room up here. There's a little bit of storage on this side, and then you go walk to the living room, right? So you can put your couches, your TV, everything that you need. And then you have a little patio area. Very relaxing out there. You got a swimming pool over there, so you can see it from the master room. You're gonna have to repair some of the windows, clean up this area really well, and let's go back inside. So let me take you to the room. So all these stairs, I don't know if I'm gonna do carpet or I'm actually gonna do wood. We'll replace all of this for sure. Let's go to the first room. So the first room, we need to do some patches, strip off the ceiling, do some recess lights up there, make sure that the windows work, and then a mirror, close the door. The ones that I like to use, as you probably know, are the ones with the black frames. And then here, you go to the bathroom, so it's a little dark, but we're gonna do a tub, a vanity, replace the toilet, LED mirror, and that's gonna make it look great. So from there, you walk into the master room. Now we're in the master room. This windows allow a lot of natural light. Again, it's a little dark because it's super cloudy outside, which is kind of weird because a couple days ago it was hot here in Southern California. Pretty tall ceilings. We'll get rid of the popcorn ceiling. We'll do some recess lights. Here, we're probably gonna do a barn door because what I'm going to do, most likely, I'm going to be removing this sink because there used to be a door right there to go into the bathroom, but for whatever reason, they closed it off, which is fine. Now I'm gonna use all this area as a walk-in closet. I think that's gonna be key to make this place look good. So this is a 2 bathrooms, 1 bathroom condo that basically needs everything. We're gonna be working on electrical panel, air conditioning, probably gonna do mini splits since it's a condo and it's more efficient. And we're gonna make it look extremely modern. Everything is gonna be brand new. So this is the type of condos or properties that I like, where you have to basically change everything because then you deliver a great product. So we'll see how this turns out. I'll keep you posted and hopefully you like what we do to this property.